Hello YouTube, this is Detroit Borg, and this demo is going to show you how to use the iMovie app for the iPhone 4. So let me go to my Apple folder, launch the app. Now I've already prepared a video in preparation for this demo. So if I want to make a new one, all I have to do is go up to this plus sign, and it's going to prompt me to select a theme. Now let me rotate this to landscape mode. Now I have the option of themes to pick from: modern, bright, travel, playful, and news. You can also turn on the music. So each theme has its own music soundtrack built into it. So I'm going to choose bright. I can see down here the timeline has already added the bright music soundtrack. Now all I need to do is add video files. Now I shot some of these videos earlier today just for this demo. Now as I add the video files, you see them aggregating in the timeline. Now as I build my timeline, I see that they've automatically added these transitions. Anybody who's used to using iMovie will recognize these little symbols. This just means cross dissolve. If I want to change the transitions, all I have to do is tap on one of them. And I can select none, cross dissolve, which is the one that's defaulted, or the theme. If I select the theme, it gives me a little preview of what it is, which is a flare. And I can select the duration. So let me add 1.5. Click Done. So as you can see, the symbol for the transition has changed. Now if I tap on one of the clips, I'm giving some editing bars so I can change the length of the clip. All I have to do is hold down the circle and shorten it. Tap on the next clip, shorten a little further. Tap on the next clip, shorten that one too. Now if I double tap, I'm giving some options. I can add a title. I can add a location, which will appear in the title, or I can turn on or off the audio that was recorded with the video. So for example, if I don't want to hear the audio in the clip, if I just want to hear the music, all I have to do is click off. Now let's add a title to the first clip. And I go to title style, and we have several options which we'll preview in the window above. Now if I choose opening, you can add a title and it automatically adds the location. For some reason it thinks I'm in Pontiac, Michigan, which I'm not. I'm close by, but I'm not in Pontiac. So I don't really want that. Let me go to middle. Let me type in demo. Now you don't have to use the theme's audio soundtrack. You could select your own from your own playlists. So let me go back to the folder where I pulled my movies from. Select audio. This is my playlist that's been imported to the iPhone. Let me go to albums, American Beauty. Let's go to the song Still Dead, and it's added it to the timeline. And now because it's copyrighted music, I'm not going to play it back on this video, so I'm going to go back to the theme music. So let me go back, theme music, and go back to the bright soundtrack. Now you can also add a photo or a video clip live. All you have to do is tap this icon and the camera app automatically launches. So I'm just going to go off camera right now and shoot any photo. I'm going to shoot a photo of my iPods here. Okay. Doesn't quite go with the garden theme, but it gets the point across. So I can see that the photo has added to the timeline, and I'm giving some editing options when I select it. Right now it's telling me it's going to play for 2.1 seconds, and I can drag it around or pinch to zoom. If I want to shorten it a bit, all I have to do is tap these circles and scroll down. I can also control the Ken Burns effect, which is the pan and scan effect that's popular with iMovie. All I have to do is position the photo, zoom in if I want, tap start, and select the position it will be in at the end of the clip. So I'm going to select end there. Now let's just preview our video. We just tap play. Okay, so we get some music, we see the transitions, we see the title at the front. Alright, so it looks like we got a finished video. Now in order to export this, just tap this key, and you have several options. You can export it medium, large, or HD. And what's going to happen is it's going to export to your camera roll. So let me click HD 720p. Okay, the movie has been exported to my camera roll. So I'm all set with iMovie. Let me go to my camera roll. Okay, in my camera roll I see the last video is the video I just made. Let's switch it to landscape and click play. Okay, so it looks like the preview we saw in iMovie. Now in order to export this, just tap on the movie, tap this key. You're given several options. You can email the video, send it via MMS, send to MobileMe, or send to YouTube. Let's select YouTube. And what you see happening now is that it's compressing the video. Unfortunately, every time you send something up to YouTube, it will compress the video quite a bit, so it will not appear in HD. So in order to preserve the high-def quality, you will need to take it to your computer and upload it to YouTube that way. When I sign on to YouTube, it gives me a form to fill out for the video. It needs a title, description, tag, category, etc. So if I type in the title and a description, tags, category. Now I'm ready to publish. I'm not going to do that right now, but you get the idea. Now I'm going to go ahead and play the video demo I created earlier today. Enjoy.